Wakey, wakey! We're serving up sheet pan, eggs, and bakey. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to rediscover a quick and healthy breakfast that'll nourish your body and mind with this recipe for sheet pan, egg white breakfast sandwiches. To get started, preheat the oven to 425 degrees and spray a large baking pan with non-stick cooking spray. In a large bowl, whisk together one 32-ounce container of Hy-Vee 100% egg whites, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, a half teaspoon of Hy-Vee baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of coarsely ground black pepper. Whisk until frothy and pour into the prepared pan. Top the mixture with 1 cup of Hy-Vee fresh tomato basil bruschetta topping, half of a sliced medium yellow onion, and 1 cup of tightly packed fresh basil cut into strips. Bake this pan for 18 to 20 minutes or until firmly set in the center. Once that's cooked, pull the pan out of the oven and cut into 8 even rectangles. Next, split and toast 8 whole grain English muffins. On the muffin bottoms, evenly divide and layer with arugula, the egg rectangles, cooked turkey bacon, 1 large tomato slice, and fresh avocado. The egg whites and turkey bacon have fewer calories, fat, and sodium compared to whole eggs and pork bacon. Place the remaining muffin on top to complete the sandwich, and you're ready to serve up one delicious breakfast. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, follow us on Facebook or Instagram at Hy-Vee Dietitians.